Use projects to design, manage, and monitor integrations from a single self-contained workspace. No need to navigate to other parts of Oracle Integration Interface. See and monitor all project components, including integrations, connections, lookups, and JavaScript libraries. Projects allow deployments of a selected group of integrations and their versions that can be activated, deactivated, and exported to other instances. Follow the information on this screen to replicate today's process within your own tenancy. Learn how to add a project, import an integration, and then activate, run, and monitor your integration within the project. Start by adding a project. Open Oracle Integration. On the home page, click the navigation menu icon. Select Projects. Click Add. Select Create. The Add option project drawer appears. Enter a name and optional keywords and description. The identifier is automatically created based on the name. Click Create. Let's design our first integration. The project details page will appear. It contains everything needed to build. We will import a sample IAR file that contains the integration and its connections. Click Add. Select Import. Drag and drop sample IAR file here. Click Import. It returns to the original project page. The imported integration, its connections, and any defined lookups and JavaScript libraries are displayed. This recipe includes a trigger-based connection that's based on the REST adapter. You can use it as is without updating. Typically, we would need to edit the connections or endpoints. Click the ellipses to display the dropdown. Select Activate. Select a tracing level or leave the default. Click Activate. A response appears displaying the success or error of activation. Let's run the integration. Click the ellipses to display the dropdown. Select Run. Deselect Flow ID to not get an error. Enter your name and email address. Click Run. Notice the activity stream display and your success response. View the newly created email. On the Observe page, receive and review valuable metrics and status information. Access and troubleshoot runtime instances. The activity stream, previously viewed after running the integration, is also available for viewing on the Observe page. Click Observe. The Instance tab is displayed by default. The status of each integration instance is displayed in a graph. Each status is identified by a specific color. Default information displays on the page. The primary identifier, instance ID, business identifiers, status, and run duration all provide valuable details. Learn more about Oracle integration on the Oracle Help Center.